Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody. This is for Lisa. So I'm taking part in an open collaboration that's hosted by Jennifer at Cook, Clean and Repeat and Mandy. They asked that we basically record ourselves cleaning our kitchen, and that's basically exactly what I did. If you are not already subscribed to Jennifer and Mandy's channel, I have their links below, as well as the link to the other participants in the playlist. Why don't you stop by and check the playlist participants out at the end of this video. And basically I'm cleaning my kitchen. Today's Friday. When I recorded the video, it was on a Friday. This is Sunday and I'm doing my voiceover now. But anyway, I don't use any special cleaning solutions or anything like that. I basically use the regular old school cleaning products such as Lysol, Pine, and regular dishwashing liquid. Since this is a Friday night when I recorded this video, we basically eat out on Friday night, so there's not a really mess in the kitchen. And I don't do the cooking in my household. My husband does all the cooking and I do all the cleaning. And normally he runs through that kitchen and cook and leaves that kitchen like a hurricane ran through it. But tonight, this night of the video recording, the kitchen is pretty decent, so I didn't have to do very much. So basically I just used my Lysol, my dishwashing liquid. I wiped down my cabinets. I put up the dishes. They were already washed from the night before. I swept, I mopped, wiped down my stove, and that's basically it. Just the regular routine of me cleaning my kitchen on a Friday night. So I'm just gonna fast forward this video and let you guys watch it, and I hope you enjoy it. Be sure you subscribe to Homebody if you have not already done so, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.